Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Like and subscribe and please watch my video. Bye.
Hello guys! Hindi pa makita pala na. Hello guys! Welcome to Sandrine's channel. So now, Sandrine's gonna do the unboxing.
Yes.
So, Shein haul ito guys. I ordered this in Shein. So, today is Shein haul. Dali na, sit down.
Okay.
Sandrine's Shein haul. Okay, let's start!
You already opened.
Yeah. Sandrine's open. It's springtime now already, guys.
Okay, thank you. Oh!
That is a pajama.
Yes.
So, this one is Sandrine's pajama. Pang winter ito, guys. So, but it's still cold in the night. Ngayon, even springtime. So, she needs still to wear this. So, until early summer. So, mayroon pa naman siyang ano, this one is for the next year.
I got 3
And this one is my shirt.
That is not
This
your
is mine.
No, it isn't.
This one is for here. This one is pajama. Yeah, it's pajama.
Okay.
For spring, it's a Sandrine pajama.
What about
And this one as well. I think it's a t-shirt. 3 pieces of t-shirt
this?
for
Oh,
Sandrine.
yes, sir.
This one is a short pants.
Okay.
Because
Mommy.
it's not really cold in the daytime now, even in the sunny weather. So she's wearing short pants or skirt sometimes kasi every time naman siya pag nagwi-winter naka-ano kami, naka-jeans, di ba? Kasi malamig, jeans, pajama. So she have old guys, but of course she's growing up, so the cloth is getting smaller. So we need to buy new, di ba?
I have the same.
Yeah, this one is a short pants as well.
Yeah, that's me. That's mine. It's the
Yeah.
same.
This one is the socks. Because hair socks, guys, is smaller as well. So, I ordered here. Marami ito, guys. Marami. So, where's the other one? This one is purple. So, I like the really purple, guys. I love purple. That is my favorite color.
Hey, even pink.
Yeah, and this one is there's a light color. Light color as well, but this one is colorful. But this one is there's another colorful here, but it's pink,
Mommy,
white.
what is
Not
this?
same this one.
Mommy,
No, that is the first one.
what is this?
So this one is my t-shirt.
This one is. Hey, you
This is my t-shirt. My
No,
t-shirt.
wait.
So this one is
What?
here. I don't know what is this now. Let me check. This one is her shirt pants. So that's all at the moment. Ano yung ano? Ano yung laman? Siguro nakaano kami ng mga ano na niya. May mga butcher na kami.
Mommy, what is this?
Ano pala yan? Walang ano lang yan. Chichiborechi lang yung nakalagay. So yeah, let's start to do the open!
Yay! Okay. Mommy, you missed one. Mommy.
Monthly siguro ako guys nag-order ng mga
Mommy.
Shein. Ngayon iba
Mommy.
pa yung sa friend ko.
Hello.
Mga designer.
You missed one.
Look, this one is a short skirt.
Mommy.
Ang tawag dito sa amin ay macarena. Na short with, ano na, yung parang ano siya,
Mommy.
skirt.
Mommy, you missed one. You
Mm,
missed one to take. Let me open mine.
that is yours.
Okay, you open it. Then.
And this one is their jeans. Nag-order ako ng, jumper jeans.
Mommy, look.
Pajama.
And.
Pang pala yan.
Wait.
Pang summer.
Wait.
Ito,
Oh, mommy,
her
look.
jumper, ano yan to guys? Jumper jeans. Nag-order
Let
din
me
ako sa
open the
kanya.
socks. So now I want to open the socks. Mommy, can I open the socks? Let's see which colors I have. Okay, we have pink, yellow. Why do I have happy faces? Why does it look like
Hindi
happy
ako
faces?
marunong
This one,
Ganun pala.
pink. Yep, see there. Let me take a look at this out.
Ganun pala.
Light pink. Okay, guess. White.
Pag hindi pa niya nasuot guys, ay hindi ko inaano. Hindi ko muna tinatanggal. Tapos pag naglaba ako guys, pag nagsuot niya, ibalik ko. Kasi yung parang ano ba? Parang may space.
And black. These are one of the colors we have. Look. Mommy, look, I take them all out.
What is this inside here?
Oh, it was this one. It was this one, actually. It was this one.
Ito naman ay skirt din ito. Short pants with skirt. Yan. Ay, short pants lang pala, guys. Short pants. Short pants. Ganda, no?
Mommy,
Mataba na kasi ako, guys. Hirap na magpapayat. Kaya sana papayat ako before
Mommy,
summer.
look how many colors
Kahit
I
mabawasan lang ako ng ano,
Mommy,
maging 12 lang yung ano ko, yung sukat ng UP size. Kasi sobrang taba ko na talaga, oh. Yun na yung ano ko. You put it back. Where you put? This one is socks. The one, ano to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pair.
There's
So,
more
yung
socks
other one,
in
yung
here.
5 pair.
There's more. Now you have to put them back. And now I can put them back.
Yeah.
Let's see these ones.
The
Yeah.
other one, this one is long
Wait,
socks.
there's more.
Long socks ito, guys. Ano yan?
That's just shorts, like the same like short socks. Let's see. Show me this.
So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pair as well.
5.
Hmm.
Let me open this one now. Let me open this one. Oh yay! Oh, the short pants is coming right up. Whee!
Short pants as well. Need to iron.
Charlie,
Short
kiss
pants
again.
skirt. Short pants skirt.
It looks like a skirt.
Yeah, that is short pants skirt.
Yeah.
It's called short pants skirt.
Look at this.
Where's the? Don't lose the.
Now, mommy, here's the next one. Next one. Oh my
The
god.
next one is the 3 pair of shirt.
It's mine.
Yeah,
Oh.
it's her. Oh, parang malaki.
Why are they all the same
Ito yung mga
pictures?
ipang turn ko, guys, sa ano, sa short pants
Mommy,
niya.
those are all the same pictures. Those
Oh,
are
really?
the same pictures.
Medyo long.
La Ballerina, Black Ballerina. The Black Ballerina.
Pang summer lang niya, guys. Maybe we're going if we go to Africa, guys. Kung matuloy kami sa Africa.
Mommy.
Ito ang mga pangdala ko sa kanya kasi 3 weeks din kami doon. So, syempre wala kaming
Mommy, that's
masyadong maraming pang summer clothes kasi kunti lang ang ano dito eh, yung summer. So, mostly pang ano talaga kami pang cold clothes dito. So, kailangan kong syempre, kung maglaba kami doon, maglaba naman siguro kami doon.
Mommy,
Hindi
look, there's
problema.
also a sign that says keep
Mm.
away from fire.
Yeah.
Because
This
I
one ay pang ano niya, pang summer. Pagpunta namin ng Africa din ito. Masuot
Yes.
niya ito pang tulog. Kasi of course mainit sa Africa, guys. Same mas mainit pa siguro sa Pilipinas. Pero yung Pilipinas ngayon ay El Nino sa kabilang party ng mga ano ng area ng Pilipinas. So not all Philippines, guys, ay El Nino. Meron lang mayroon lang area na may El Nino. Like Luzon. Part of Luzon ay not all El Nino. May place din na ulan-ulan doon. So sa Cebu may mainit, meron ding maulan. So ganyan niya siya sa ano. Ito naman ay another pair pajama.
This one is super big to open. There's even another one that, Mommy, look, keep away from fire. There's another one. How many of
Kasi unti-unti akong nagbili, guys. Syempre, ayaw ko naman na i-focus ko lahat ng pag ano ko sa
Let me
Shein.
open this,
Kasi
please.
syempre may iba akong ginagastusan like back home to Philippines. I need to send money as well. So some are here, personal belongings. I need to buy groceries. So not all straight away to buy here clothes like that is because it's not it. Because it is still cold at the moment. So yan lang po, guys. So if I have time, so I can choices only in the internet lang naman, guys, in the online shop, Shein. So madali lang naman, guys. So sa pagpili lang talaga kailangan akong nakatuto kasi minsan hindi ko na malaya, nadodoble. So yung una kong nabili, so nagdodoble, sayang, 'di ba? Sinong magsusuot? So hindi niya nasusuot. So kaya yung isa muna ang isusuot. Kaso syempre maano kasi ako sa damit, yung yung maalaga. I care the clothes kahit kasi nasanay kami sa guys when we are young. So syempre lang kami yung pobre. Yung we are poor only in the Philippines. So, when we got the new clothes, so, ano namin yan, ng panglakad, pangbahay, yun talaga. So, na-adapt ko yun siya dito. Kaya, pag yung partner ko nagbibihis sa kanya, naiinis ako kahit nasa bahay, pang alis, ipasuot niya. Sabi ko, hindi yan. Kailangan nasa nakabukod niya yung ano niya, panglakad, pang bahay, pang school. Yan, nakabukod talaga yan. So, yung mga dresses niya, nakabukod din niya yung mga naka-wardrobe, yung dress niya, yung clothes, kasi yung mga t-shirt niya, yung mga short pants, yung mga t-shirt naka-drawer yan. May hiwalay sa kanya. So, ayan na po guys yung ano namin, haul. Kasi nauna na po yung yung ibang haul namin ay naka-upload doon sa sa channel, sa Emmeline's UK Vlog. So, before, I changed my channel. Before is Pinay African UK. So, but now, I changed the name of Emmeline's UK Vlog. So, yan na po guys. This is our Shein haul for sunbeams. Yeah, sit down. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you guys, and thank you for watching.
Like and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe.
Video.
Sit down properly. How you do like that?
To my video.
Closer here. Now please like and subscribe
Please like and subscribe to my video.
my YouTube channel
My YouTube channel.
where you saw all my new upload.
And see you upload.
Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye. Up it.